I really believe that the future of medicine is blending the mind, blending the heart, and blending the spirit. Our planet is teeming with great technology. In the last 6 years, I have seen the amazing strides that have been made in science, and people, more than ever, are coming together. The power that each person has, our bodies, we don't even know all that's out there to discover. And I really believe it starts with ourselves. What a gift it could be to learn how to unlock your own healing potential in your body. I really see that's where medicine's going. Using our consciousness, using our intention, having a wonderful team of people that help the client, help the patient awaken and work with their medicines, work with their doctors, and work with their bodies to align, to return to wholeness. I really believe as we're growing, our consciousness is waking up and our bodies are listening. Our bodies are listening to our feelings. Our bodies respond to our thoughts. Let's come together. Let's create a whole new way in medicine. There's so much power that we have within our own minds, and so much power and so much knowledge and wisdom within us. I think that people, if they were given access and tools to go in their body and help to wake up, to communicate with their own cells, to empower, raise your consciousness, and to work with the brilliance of science. I think that that's the medicine of the future. It's blending the most brilliant minds of science and the hearts and compassion of people, educating the patient, working together. That's what our world needs, people coming together with one common goal. My whole inspiration is personal. My daughter was diagnosed 6 years ago, and I promised her that I would never leave the planet, that I would do everything I could to facilitate a cure. And all this time has gone by, and I'm more and more excited about the possibility of this becoming a real manifestation. So much hope is on the horizon for humanity. The knowledge of cellular communication and its power that we have with science, the beautiful art of acupuncture and its power through time and its skill at assisting the body at cellular rejuvenation is mind-blowing. I actually have had the privilege to see this happen in my own practice. Your unique soul signature is found within your blood. Blood is the common color, red, that unites all of humanity. Red has integrity. Red is a life force. Red is passion. Red is power. Red is love. I really believe a cure for type 1 diabetes and many illnesses are in our future. Let's unite with our hearts and the brilliance of science. Let's unite together. If this resonates with you, I'm looking to build a great team of people that are committed, that have the passion, that have the drive, that have the talent to come together and create great strides. Let's start a conversation. Let's change the face of medicine. We are, you are, universally red.